Hello everybody and welcome to the Gold Rush Hall of Fame Autographed Baseball Box Break. Let's get into it. With 12 spots we have Tristan. With 3 spots we have Casey. With 1 spot we have Johnny. With 2 spots we have Unlikely Crusader. With 1 spot we have Pat. With 2 spots we have Wheatus. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. With 5 spots we have Joseph. With 1 spot we have Jason. And with 3 spots we have Robbie. Let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. There we go. We'll be randomizing our list 5 times. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have Joseph, and at the bottom we have Unlikely Crusader. Let's copy our new list. Alrighty, here's our new list. There we go. Let's see. Joseph with the Diamondbacks, Tristan with the Braves, Joseph with the Orioles and Red Sox, Tristan with the Cubs, Johnny with the White Sox, Casey with the Reds, Tristan with the Indians, Pat with the Rockies, Casey with the Tigers, Joseph with the Astros, Tristan with the Royals, Wheatus with the Angels, Tristan with the Dodgers, Jason with the Marlins, Robbie with the Brewers, Casey with the Twins, Robbie with the Mets, Tristan with the Yankees, Wheatus with the Athletics, Tristan with the Phillies, Unlikely Crusader with the Pirates, Tristan with the Padres, Joseph with the Giants, Tristan with the Mariners, Cardinals, Rays, Robbie with the Rangers, Tristan with the Blue Jays, and Unlikely Crusader with the Nationals. Alright, let's open up our box. There we go. This is the Hall of Fame one. Hold on, let me just get a knife. There we go. Alright. Sealed on all sides. Let's open up this box. Just a little cut for the plastic. Let's open up the seal. Last Hall of Fame baseball break, we pulled a Randy Johnson autographed Hall of Fame baseball. Alright. Let's see what we got today. Alright, that's it. Ooh. I almost immediately knew who that was. First, let's just see. Alright, JSA authentication. Most of you guys will know that immediately once you see it. Hall of Fame 2005. He's in the 3,000th hit club. His 3,000th hit was a home run. I'm trying to think of everything. Been to the All-Star game quite a few times. Played for the Red Sox, played for the Yankees. This is, let's see, Wade Boggs, yep. That's Wade Boggs. Really great player. We've pulled him before. Wait, wow. That is pretty cool. Let's see what team he played for the longest, and that's who the ball will go to. Beautiful ball. I haven't seen one where he inscribes Hall of Fame before. I think we pulled him on a TriStar break. So, yeah. Alright, Wade Boggs. A really good ball player. Oh wow, so he just played for the Yankees and Red Sox. And then the Tampa Bay Devil Rays his last 2 years. Looks like he played for the Red Sox for 11 years. So that's going to go out to the Boston Red Sox. Let's see who's got him. Boston Red Sox. That is Joseph. So JOSBR 9955. Congratulations. You win a Wade Boggs autographed Hall of Fame inscribed baseball. I really appreciate you guys joining the break. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.